Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you pair your wireless remote or the follow focus to your Yongnuo lens. I'm going to read some instructions off a screen that I got from Yongnuo because I couldn't figure this out myself. So hopefully this video with me doing this live, so sorry about any ums and ahs during or along the way, but we'll do this live, and if it works on my camera, it should work on your camera too. So let's follow the instructions and see if we can get this to work. First thing you want to do is to go into the focus settings on your camera. I'm using the FX30 here in case you're wondering, and we're going to set our autofocus mode to off or set it to manual focus. So there we go. Next thing we want to do is to make sure the SW switch on the side of the lens here is set to SW1 for pairing. Now, once that's done, we're gonna turn the camera off like so. Now we're gonna hold down this little function button right here, like so, and turn the camera back on again, and that will put the lens into its pairing mode. So let's go ahead and do that, and if that works, it should jump to F8. Yeah, there we go. So lens is now at F8. That kind of indicates the lens is in its pairing mode. The next thing we want to do is to grab our little handy dandy remote control and turn that thing on. What you want to do after you turn on your remote control is to press this main button until you get to MF. And when MF is highlighted here on the little display, you just long press this and it will pair and jump to this display where it shows 11 millimeters. That's the lens we're pairing. If you want to control the focus with this wheel, just press this main button here again until we come back to MF or manual focus. And that, if we press record here on the camera, will now allow us to adjust the focus here from this little wireless wheel. So it worked. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. So if you want to check out the full video on this lens or check out some of the other focal lengths available with the same kind of feature, I'm going to put some links to those in the description. But thank you for watching, and let me know if this worked for you. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbyes.